Metro sliding doors. Smooth sliding, hidden perfection. Metro is a sliding door system designed for minimal visual impact and maximum usability. The track system operates without any floor guidance rails, preserving uninterrupted flooring and allowing seamless transitions between spaces. Aluminum profiles are ultra slim, maintaining structural integrity while minimising visual bulk. The system can accommodate up to 10 sliding panels, ideal for large openings or flexible partitions. The maximum opening width is 12 metres. Each panel is equipped with a high-performance rolling mechanism that ensures smooth, silent sliding. The panels are synchronized, enabling 2 or more panels to move simultaneously using a single push or pull. A variety of pull handles are available.